एक आवाज़ सुनहरी सी जो साफ सुनाई दे, शोर को चीर कर एक राह दिखाई दे, ना मैं गलत ना तुम, बस सिर्फ हम तुम को जोड़कर एक समाधान दिखाई दे। Ethics Poll is about respect for self and respect for others. It is an initiative to build on critical thinking skills of our children. This will help them to see through fake news, conspiracy theories, and take better decisions whenever they are on crossroads. Bless you all.
In today's fast-changing times, ethics and morals are probably the last of the values that anybody turns to while taking decisions on everyday situations or even controversial issues. Ethics Bowl is a great platform which helps to sensitize and train our students to appreciate and view things from others.
Distinctly remember the day. It was January 27, 2021, when our principal, Mrs. Komal Sood, told us about the event, the Ethics Bowl. And since then, there has been no looking back.
For me, Ethics Bowl is D5. Discuss, deliberate, deliver your deduction of dilemmas of life.
Why is ethics bowl needed? Because it makes you a better
right and wrong and helps us to be a good
Ethics Bowl is
observer.
needed because the youth needs to be decisive on various critical issues.
स्कूल एक ऐसा मंच है जो छात्रों को विश्वव्यापी विविध विषयों पर गहन चिंतन करने हेतु प्रेरित
Because there are far too more ethical dilemmas that should be discussed. Ethics Bowl in one word would be innovative. It would be enlightening.
views and our belief system.
One word is not enough to appreciate it.
असहमत होने पर भी दिल और दिमाग के बीच उचित संतुलन.
Collaborating with others brings out the best in me.
For me, it gave me confidence.
Versus idealism versus realism.
It has made me open-minded to a lot of new ideas.
Would be morals and discussion.
Teaches sense of solidarity with other human beings.
All our expression, opinions, and beliefs.
Ethics, knowledge, and awareness.
Creative and initiative.
A proposition and camaraderie.
धर्म एंड मोरालिटी.
नैतिक मूल्यों का अनुसरण करें, उच्च विचारधारा कायम रखें.
Humanity and morality.
अद्वितीय और अद्भुत.
It helps me analyze and discuss several ethical dilemmas. I imagine, criticize, and compare.
एथिक्स बोल वर्तमान में वक्त की पुकार है और एक सुनहरे भविष्य की मांग है.
It is very important for us to instill the ability in our students to think through these situations.
Ethical games.
नैतिकता, न्याय एवं निर्णय का आधार.
Nirvana, emancipation.
Basic jobs are not permitted. As a matter of fact, the 2004 and the 2010 bans are unjustifiable restrictions upon the fundamental freedom of religion guaranteed.
That is, man is a social being. You can't confine it within four walls. Man has to go out.
आपका प्रगतिशील मंतव्य क्या है कि बुर्का व हिजाब हमारे वर्तमान संदर्भ के लिए कितना जरूरी है?
Not only put the person at risk, but further makes them a potential health hazard which endangers the lives of the employees and their
families. In the cruelest ways upon the universal right of life. So in response to the second question, how can we replace this barbaric and vicious onslaught? A strategy of 3 R's.
The battle between the right to privacy and the right to information has been ongoing. It depends on cases to decide which one supersedes.
बात तो सिर्फ प्राथमिकता की, जो समय, जरूरत और परिस्थितियों के हिसाब से बदलती रहती है और बदलनी भी चाहिए। हमारा संविधान भी तो यही कहता है, किसी की निजता उसके जीवन से बढ़कर नहीं हो सकती, और दिए गए केस में यदि हम बच्चे की निजता को पहले पायदान।
Is that when you're faced with criticism, how can you smile and still very respectfully put your point across? I saw great evidence of that. There's no need to tear down people like we do.
It has been my long-standing dream to institute a President Hour rolling trophy for school students. Finally, the day has arrived when we are setting this ball in motion. Thank you to all who have made this happen. Friends, when I first floated the idea of the trophy, we did not really know what we wanted to give it for. We had many discussions on this. I was also aware that AVIS already has trophies for debates and quizzes and of course sporting events. Finally, Principal Mrs. Komal Sood, along with the principals of the other APSs in Delhi, came up with this brilliant idea of having an ethics board.